Does your face constantly look like you're blushing and you have bumps on your skin that resemble acne? Do you have dry and flaky skin? You may have a skin condition called rosacea. You might also notice broken blood vessels showing through your skin and experience redness, swelling, and pain. At times, your nose may be red and swollen, pores enlarged, and bumps all over your skin. Your rosacea symptoms will flare up intermittently as time goes by. So how does one actually cure rosacea? The answer is OnlyRosacea. Weakness eradication of skin flushing, persistent face redness, visible blood vessels, and swollen red bumps. Soothe your skin and expect immediate pores reduction while attaining highly moisturized and baby soft skin. Without the right diagnosis, your rosacea symptoms may get worse over time. No one wants to look like a boiled lobster. Get help for your rosacea woes at Only Aesthetics. For more videos, click here and don't forget to like and subscribe.